If your HAMP trial modification doesn't work out, you're still on the hook for your original payments plus late fees and other charges, and that's what happened to Mayor Brooks.
I mean, they're telling me I owe, $4,000 and then $6,000, $9,000, $11,000, $12,000, $14,000. This whole time it kept going up, and none of it made sense. There's no way I could possibly owe that kind of money. That is when I got extremely nervous, and I started getting online and started doing some research about Aurora, and that's the point when my heart sank into my stomach, and I about got sick.
Brooks found chat rooms and postings about dozens of borrowers just like her who were making the lower modification payments, only to find out that the servicer, the same servicer that was supposed to be helping them, was beginning the process of foreclosure.
And that's when I panicked. I literally panicked, and that's why I said, I want out. I want out. I want to stop doing this. I'm writing a check for the full amount. I want out of this program. I will make restitution on whatever damage was done from those trial modification payments. I will pay the late fees. I have a letter saying I'll pay the late fees. I'll do what I need to do, but I just want to get this cleaned up because this has been a mess.
Brooks went back to paying her full mortgage payment, but one banker wasn't talking to another, and she was placed in default. As incomprehensible as it sounds, 2 months later, after making all her modified payments on time, the Aurora loan servicer foreclosed on Belinda Brooks' home.
I about sank. I just started crying. I thought I'm gonna lose my home. And that's the only home we've had. My poor kids just, they hear me talk about it, and it breaks my heart to watch my little son. He's 6, and his little chin starts, quivering. He's like, I don't want to leave our house. I love our house, Mommy. That's what, I don't care if I have to make a different home my home, but to have to make them leave the only home they've known because of somebody's clerical error and somebody that just doesn't really care, that's craziness.
If you've got it, watch it. If you don't, call your TV provider to get HDNet today.